Hi everyone, welcome to Sallie Tomato's YouTube channel. I'm Caitlin, Sallie Tomato's social media specialist, and today we're going to be opening up day 8 of our Sallie Tomato Co Box. As you know, this year the Sallie Tomato Co Box was inspired by the color Apricot Crush. The 8th item, a sweet little treat to savor. Got it! Look at this! It's so cute. Apricot jam can be enjoyed in so many ways. Did you know that food preservation methods similar to jam date all the way back to the Stone Age? And that first written recipe for jam dates back to the 4th century in Rome in the first known cookbook, The Art of Cooking. We have come a long way from ancient Rome, but it is just as delicious, if not even more so today. We hope you enjoy this apricot jam on a piece of toast with your morning coffee or tea before your next creative adventure. If you want to snag next year's Sallie Tomato Co Box, you can find the link to our newsletter in the description below. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We would love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.